Bake like Rico. Coming soon, you heard? Be prepared to get your hands dirty. We're gonna make a lot of cookies. Ain't that right? Hey, little monster, what you doing? Yeah.
Say hi, DC family.
Yeah.
Say hi.
Lonnie, we gonna eat good, Lonnie.
Whoa.
Alright, y'all, we're gonna put these in the ovens just like such. Oh, wait, preheat is still on.
Stay
You can't put it in the
tuned.
oven with preheat, right?
No.
Alright,
It's gonna
y'all.
cook too early.
We're gonna pause it and we're gonna come back to y'all with these bacon in the
Baby
oven.
Mia in the back with Uncle Harry.
Bye.
Hey. Hey.
Bye, DC family.
Hey. Shit, party pooper.
Bye.
Y'all, we're almost there. 7 minutes. Cookies is baking. Let's peek at them, y'all. Oh my God. Mine don't look. His is beautiful. Y'all know I'm about to get one of his. Let's see this. Ooh, I almost cussed. Y'all see this? Let's just hope it get better. Let's just, yeah. Bye.
Lonnie, let's go check on the cookies.
Don't have her touch the oven.
I'm not. Lonnie. Lonnie. Okay, Lonnie don't want to come. Nyla coming.
I heard a beep.
It's on the last minute. Alright, y'all. About to check on these. What is those? Oh my gosh, what is those?
What are those?
What is those, Lonnie?
Move back, alright?
You gotta step back, it's hot. Whoa, right?
You gotta step back.
Shh, shh.
Don't put.
She's not gonna go.
Don't put.
They mess up the vlog. Get out, both of y'all get out the kitchen. They mess up the vlog, y'all. Come on, go.
Come on.
Go, badass Trina. The cookies are done. What the is those? Lonnie, you can't even see these yet. These look crazy. And you too close. Don't touch. Don't touch the stove. Don't touch. Don't touch. Run out the kitchen. Again, what are those? Oh, my chocolate chips look nice back there. Look at those. But look at this. Oh yeah, cookies are like that. Alright, y'all. The fun part, we're about to decorate. No, they about to decorate those.
The big cookie is for you, Mom. Okay? Make sure you give me a big
It was a little crispy.
Why is it a little crisp? What is that? What is that? Like a dead fish.
That's what you made up.
Look at my stars. They all came out dislocated, but it's okay. Look at my little intimate. Mine still look, you know, fleazy. Look at Charles. Look like y'all making them peanut butter jelly sandwiches. Smackers. That like the bright bread. It's gonna look cool though once they decorate it. It's probably mad good. You never know.
Mom, the big one is for you, okay? Because
She don't want none of those. Look at her face. She don't want none of those. You want one?
Yeah.
Alright, y'all. We here about to decorate these cookies.
Want pink?
I like pink.
You want pink? Hey. We had to put Lonnie in the pen. She's acting up. She over there.
Okay, I'm gonna circle it first. And then I'm gonna
It's
put a heart.
watery.
It's icing. She said, oops.
Now put a heart.
That's not funny, Lonnie.
That's a heart?
Yeah, that's an upside down one though.
It just says upside down one.
It's okay. I can
Alright, y'all, look at the
heart.
heart shape.
Put polka dots. You want polka dots?
No, I'm trying to not mess.
Don't touch
Just
it,
turn the
huh?
plate around.
Oh.
Oh. These chocolate chip cookies might look delicious. They might look bomb. They do look good, but look at them.
Babe, touch it.
These are terrible. Oh, sprinkle time. Sprinkle time. Hold on.
It's not really not.
I'm about to pour the sprinkles, y'all. Okay, open that one.
Oh.
A little bit at a time.
Okay, Chef Nyla. Yeah. Dr.
No, you
Sprinkle.
can't put it in the middle like that. There's nothing holding that. Why are you?
You gotta put it on. You gotta put it on the
icing.
frosting. She did this her first time. It's okay. I don't know if y'all heard me earlier. I told y'all these cookies. I don't want to talk about it. These cookies are terrible. They do not taste good at all. But I'm about to give it a second chance. Everybody deserves second chances, even these cookies. So
Here come the
these are not cooked.
pearls.
These taste like the 99-cent chocolate chip cookies.
No,
These are nasty. Ew. Nah, don't ever use no stencils. Don't try to smush the cookies down. If they come pre-shaped, if they come pre-cut, they pre-cut for a reason. All right,
Sam,
y'all.
your cookies look so good. Now look at them. They sound good.
You like mine, Mommy? This for you.
I know.
This one's for you.
Pretty.
But
What
I'm
the
not.
pearls taste like?
All right, y'all.
Why are you tasting my pearls? I might add some white icing. I don't want that. Whatever. Oh.
DC, supposed to be DC with a heart, y'all.
It's cute.
With a line underneath. Oh, look at that. Fancy, Nyla. Close this, por favor.